Hello everyone, how are you all today? Actually, my bike have one small problem that when this ignition on, the engine light is on. Actually, this light is supposed to go off. You can see the light is still on. Actually, this light is supposed to go off. So already I did the diagnose with workshop. So they told me its problem is CO2 sensor. So they recommend me to replace CO2 sensor. So even I on engine still there, so you can see the CO2 sensor is located at the silencer pipe. This one is CO2 sensor. You can see this one is CO2 sensor. Actually the problem is this one. I need to replace this CO2 sensor at your silencer pipe. So later I want to go down to workshop and see change. So even you still running engine, nothing, still there. So let's go. So you see on the road, shiny and good weather. You can see the sky is very beautiful. Actually CO2 sensor, some of my friends tell me that CO2 sensor is not really important, no need to change. But I see is by performance buys is drop a lot of performance. Like sometimes engine suddenly power, suddenly power drop, then suddenly power up. Then I feel like my fuel consumption is slightly higher than normal. Normally I get like 1 liter around 42, 43, but now I constantly getting like 38, 39, so around 5 kilometer less lah. I also do some Google research, then really find out this one is actually is important part, because this oxygen sensor is give signal to your ECU to mix fuel to air ratio. So it's they give you signal how much fuel and how much air to mix up for you to get better and best performance of bike. Okay, let's go. Actually the workshop is not very far from my house, like 7 minutes, 8 minutes ride. It's quite near. Actually I very near to workshop already. Actually if you want you can do yourself. It's very simple, just you need like 2 or 3 tools, that's it. And if you got the spare part, so I ordered at the spare part at the shop, so shop just confirmed the spare part is ready, so I go down for replacement. If you want to ask anything you don't understand, you always can comment, no problem. I will try my best level to answer you, but you also must consider that I'm not a mechanic, so I try my level best to answer you. Already you can see my left hand side, that one is workshop already. I'm already almost reached at workshop. So let's do the replacement. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe also if you like and you want to know more than any of my future video, and hit the bell icon. This is all CO2 sensor. Actually this one is 4-pin connector. My bike is from imported from India, so some BS6 need 4-pin connector. So this is the new one. new CO2 sensor. So if you want to change CO2 sensor, it's very simple. You need just 17 spanner or adjustable spanner. You can see this one is already installed, the new one. Then the connector is there. You can see connector is just this side only. You can pull out from there, no need to open the cover. Then you just need to open this, the down cover, the bottom cover. Then you need 17 spanner, one Phillips screwdriver, and the Allen key to open the cover. That's it. Then you connect that. We already done. You can see 17 spanner, one Phillips, and you need one Allen. Already done replacement. Let's check. But the error light is still there, so we need to manually reset the error light. To reset error light, we need to connect OBD2 scanner to service port. Connector is right below under rider seat. I will make one separate video to show you how to do reset with OBD2 scanner. Already we do the reset. Check if the error is still there. I believe the error is gone. Okay, it's no more error light. So we go for test ride, see how its performance difference. I want to see how much difference. I already feel bike a lot smoother than previous. Then if you want me to make one video how to reset error using OBD2, you can comment. I will try to make one video for you how to reset error light. So let's go. I can feel it's a lot smoother now. Then the total response also very nice, very good, and engine also feel very smooth. Yeah, so this is actually very important part. On the way, I remember that my bike is need to inspection. Actually last week already I got letter from. So before I go home, I want to go for inspection my bike. If this video anything benefit you, please subscribe my channel and like, share, comment. Anything you want to know, don't forget to comment. So after the inspection, I want to go back home and rest. I already reached inspection center. You can see at my right hand side. So I chose to come here. I can feel really difference. It's a bit smoother. If you don't want to spend extra money, I recommend you to do it yourself. It's not that critical. It's very simple. Just you need not much tools involved. You no need to have too many things. Just you have 3 or 4 tools is enough. Then you just do it yourself. You get the spare part from any local reseller. So okay, I done inspection and it's passed because I never modify my bike anything. Okay, all set, all done. Time to go home. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Okay, bye. Take care. Ride safe. Be safe.